Hi friends, in today's tutorial we are going to see the history of Java and some more concepts. Let's see, in 1990 Sun Microsystem they have decided to design one software. Okay, so generally nowadays you can see there are many different softwares available for your mobiles, for different types of consumer electronics, for different types of robotics, for different types of handheld devices, smart devices. Okay, so like that in 1990 also there was a decision made by Sun Microsystems that there should be some software which can run on a consumer electronic devices. These devices were controlled by what? Remote. So it is something like you can say those are the smart devices. Now what they need a software. So they said that we have to start this one as a project, and they named that project as what? Stealth. But later they renamed the project as what? Green project. Okay, so you can see there is a term called as green team. So what is a green team? The members are the people who participated in this green project. We call them as what? Green team. Okay, members participated in project, they are all called as what? Green teams. In 1991 we have a team of members like Bill Joy, James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Patrick Norton, etc. There were many actually who are participated in designing the application. In other terms you can say they are not participated in application, but they are participated in the different aspects of that application, like making the business, making the support in the graphics, making the support in stakeholders, making the support in different things, which all comes under into a green team. Okay, so Gosling was a person who is responsible for designing the software. So Gosling those days decided that he can go with the C and C++. But what is the problem? We even nowadays we know that C and C++ is a machine dependent programming language. As the program which you write on one machine, you can't run that program on other machine, because C programming concepts are dependent on machine graphics as well as machine compilers. Many concerned things were there which are dependent on that program. So James Gosling those days decided there should be some language which is independent of the system as well as independent of the platform. So he decided and he started coding it, and after some days he named that programming language as what? Oak. Okay, Oak was the name which was accepted by his whole team, and they are telling that it's a good name, that we can proceed with that name as further, because this oak is a tree. They call it as a symbol of strength in many countries like USA, France, Germany, etc. Even there are 13 plus countries, like generally you can say Romania also there are many countries, so they all call this oak tree as the symbol of strength. But unluckily Oak was registered by Oak Technologies. So when it is registered, it is sure that you can't use it. So automatically there is no option for the James Gosling other than changing the name. Now James Gosling was looking up to change the name, but what the name should be. The whole team of a James Gosling, you can say the whole green team, they were more into taking coffee the whole day while writing or designing the program, designing the strategies, analyzing it, everything. When they are implementing, they are taking or they are consuming the huge coffee. Suddenly what happened, the James Gosling thought that Java is a good name to give to his programming language, as Java is an island of Indonesia where the first coffee seeds were produced to the world. Okay, so finally he thought Java will be a good name because they are consuming a lot of coffee, and this was an idea built up from there. So he was finally fixed the name as Java. And even nowadays you can say that even you know that the Java has a logo with a coffee and a coffee cup and a saucer. Okay, so that was the final decision made by James Gosling. Okay, now what happened in a year, 1995? Okay, 1995, the Time magazine, you know, this is a very famous magazine. The Time magazine, what they did, the Time magazine, sorry, okay, the Time magazine revealed sorry revealed called about on Java, one of the 10 best products of 1995. Okay, so this was the magazine who has revealed at that time. So Java has different editions also. You can say there are Java editions. So what are the Java editions we have? First Java edition is J2SE. We call it as what? Standard edition. Java 2 standard edition. Then again we have one more version which is called as what? Mobile edition, which is a J2ME. So this is our mobile edition. Same way we are going to have one more edition which is called as J2EE. So this is us expressed edition. Okay, so like this there were many. And one more thing, Java editions were ready and we need a development kit. Okay, so first Java version on JDK, Java Development Kit 1.0, released, okay, in which year? In January 23, 1996. So this is the year when Java has released its first JDK version. Later that there were many versions came. I'm not renaming them. I'm just going to give you the direct output here. I'm showing you the direct versions. First version which came here is JDK Alpha and Beta. This is the first version which came in 1995. Okay, so later this was JDK 1.0, which is a standard edition, which is released in 1996. Okay, so after JDK 1.0, the development has been started in such a way, every time they are releasing the minor and as well as major versions with different improvements. You can say this is again a minor version which is released in the year 1997. Later again Java standard edition 9, it is released in 2017. So like this there were many versions which were released one by one with the different improvements, with many number of classes, many number of objects, many number of libraries. So what are these libraries, classes, methods, objects? All these things we are going to discuss in the next tutorial. Okay, so with this I'm closing the introduction part of Java. I will go further in a next tutorial. Thank you.